Welcome to the Excel 2013 Essential Skills video course. Our Excel video courses are used by large corporations, schools, colleges, and universities. Absolutely anybody can master Excel 2013 using this course, and several million Excel users all over the world have done just that. The courses are based upon our world best-selling Excel books and are undoubtedly the most comprehensive and easiest to use Excel video courses available. By the end of this Essential Skills course, your Excel skills will be better than most office workers, even those with many years of Excel experience. This 5-minute preview is designed to enable you to quickly review all of the skills you're going to master in session 1. If you already have some Excel experience, this 5-minute preview may enable you to skip over some or all of the lessons in this session. So let's start the clock ticking and begin the preview. In the first lesson, I'm going to teach you how to start Excel and open a new workbook. For Windows 8 users, I'll show you how to add a tile and then pin it to the Start menu. You're then going to open a new blank workbook from a template, the only way to open a blank workbook in Excel 2013, and you'll learn a little about templates along the way. You'll then open Excel and close Excel. In the second lesson, I'll teach you about Office updates and why it's important that your version of Excel is up to date. If you've got a buggy, out-of-date version of Excel, you'll find many of the lessons presented in this course won't work properly. In the third lesson, you'll learn how to change the Office theme. This is a brand new feature for Excel 2013. Many users find the standard white theme is difficult to work with and gives them eye strain. I'll show you how you can change this to the light grey theme or the dark grey theme, which you'll find a lot easier on your eyes. In the fourth lesson, we'll talk about maximizing, minimizing, resizing, moving, and closing the Excel window. And I'll also show you how to resize the window. In the fifth lesson, I'll walk you through the process of downloading the extensive sample file set you'll need to work through this course. And I'll show you how to very quickly navigate through a workbook. One of the things I'll teach you is a very little known Excel skill: how to scroll through 1,000,000 rows in less than a second. Let me preview this from the course. Let's start now, and there's 1,000,000 rows. In Lesson 1.6, you'll save a workbook to your local hard drive. And in Lesson 1.7, you'll discover that there are many file formats in which you can save an Excel workbook. I'll teach you which are the most important ones and when you should use them. In Lesson 1.8, you'll pin a workbook so that it always floats to the top of the recent workbooks list. This is very useful when you have a workbook you use often. I'll also show you how to implement a logical system for organizing your files, so you'll never lose a workbook in the future. The ninth lesson is all about worksheet tabs. I'll show you how to add a new worksheet tab and how to delete a worksheet tab. I'll also show you how to navigate through your worksheet tabs when you have a large number of worksheets within a workbook. In the 10th lesson, I'll teach you all about the versions feature. I'll show you how to set it up so that Excel is constantly saving backup files automatically in the background. And then you'll never lose a workbook ever again if there's a power cut or simply if you forget to save a file. In Lesson 1.12, I'll introduce the ribbon, and in Lesson 1.13, I'll introduce the ribbon components one by one. Components such as the command group, the drop-down list, the rich menu, the gallery, and the dialog launcher, the key to accessing many of Excel's advanced features. The 14th lesson introduces the Quick Access toolbar, and you can see the default toolbar only has 4 options. But by the end of Lesson 14, you'll construct a feature-rich Quick Access toolbar. That will greatly improve your efficiency when working with Excel. Lesson 15 introduces the mini toolbar, a new way to quickly format text. Also, key tips, a way of quickly finding keyboard shortcuts. In lesson 116, I'll introduce views. There's 3 views in Excel: the normal view, the page layout view, and the page break preview view. Each view is designed to make it easy to complete certain tasks. In lesson 17, I'll show you how to hide and show the formula bar and the ribbon. In this example, I've hidden the formula bar. And in this example, I've hidden both the formula bar and the ribbon. And in this final example, I've hidden everything to give you the maximum number of cells visible on screen. In the 18th and final lesson, I'll show you how to use the help system. And at the end of session 1, as at the end of every session, there's an exercise to complete to confirm your understanding of the skills presented. Well, you've now listened to the introduction to session 1, and you're ready to begin the Excel 2013 Essential Skills video course.